Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of website country region advanced in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module enhances location-based functionality on your Odoo website by allowing user to select specific countries, states, and region during checkout or registration. This improves address accuracy, enhance user experience, and ensure precise tax and shipping calculations, ideal for businesses operating in multiple regions. This module streamlines country and region selection, making the purchasing process smoother and more efficient for customers. So, first of all, we will hop onto the sales module. Under product, we will find two different menus. First of all, we will select website region menu. Here you can see we have created different regions here. You can create a region as you want. Now, after the website regions, you will find a menu named Website Region Country. Open that and here you can see all the country groups. Here you can see all the countries. So, after that, here in the search bar option, search your country. I am selecting India. Here you can see the country India. Open that. And here you will find all the configuration. Here you can see the country name, country currency, country code, country region. You can select whatever region you want. And you can also select the country group, the price list and everything. Here you can see the states of the country. Now, after this, you will find a field name minimum order amount. Here, enter your minimum order amount. I have added 3000 as my minimum amount. Now, other than India, we will search for United States. Here you can see the country United States. Here you can see the name, currency, country code, the region. Also, you can select the whatever region you want, whatever country group you want, and the price list. Here you can see the name of the states of United States. Here also you can see the field minimum order amount. Here I have added 1000 as my minimum order account. Now we will hop on to the website module. And here you can see an option to select your countries. Here we have selected United States. Now if we go into the shop, you can see the product price is in dollars as we have selected United States. Now, if I go and select India, you can see the amount is in Indian rupees. Now, if I select any product, suppose I'm selecting conference chair. You can see the amount is 1979, which is less than 3000. So, I will add this product into the cart. Here, click on proceed to checkout. Okay, so there is an extra product, remove that. And now you can see only conference chair is in the cart. You can see the amount. Now, when you click on the checkout, you can see a validation error will pop up saying the minimum order amount must be 3000 for India as 1979 is less than 3000. So, if I make the quantity of the conference chair as 2, the amount is greater than 3000 now. So if I click on checkout, you can see that the order is proceeding. Now click on confirm and choose your payment method and click on pay now. You can see your payment is being finalized. Here you can see your order has been placed. You can see the sale order number in here. You can see 39 is your sale order. Now we will hop on to the sales module and here you can see a 39 number sale order is created. Here you can see the product, the quantity of the product and its unit price with total amount. Here you can see all the details of your order. Now supposably if I go back into the website module and select United States instead of India. And if I select a product in the shop, you can see the product amount is $750. Now, if I add this into my cart, here you can see the product is in the cart. Now, if I click on the checkout, you can see you will get a validation error saying the minimum amount order must be $1,000 for United States. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.